In this lesson, I will explain to you linear equations. So these are a little bit different linear equations which we have solved in the previous lesson, but these are also very easy. So you will see the difference. What is the difference between these kind of linear equations and whatever we did in the last lesson? So here the variable is 2 times. Only this is the difference. But the same variable t. In the next lesson, we may have different variables, but in this lesson, see, same variable t 8t positive 10t. So again, you have to find out the value of the variable, which is t, and I told you you can have any letter, you can use any letter a, b, c, x, y, z or s, t, u as a variable. So it's again very simple. I will do a little bit revision that this is called the left hand side. This is the left hand side, and only we have 8 on the right hand side. And what you have to do? You have to calculate or find out the value of t variable. So this is 8t, this is 10t. So easy, just add it. So it is 18t. Then is negative 10, and here on the right hand side you have only 8. So you have to remove this 10 as well from here on the left hand side, because we need only t, not 18t minus 10 or 18t. We need only t. So step by step we will remove the things. First is negative 10. So how we can remove it? Just make the opposite, which is positive 10, because positive and negative will cancel out each other. So you did positive 10 on the left side of the equation. Same thing you have to do on the right side in the equation as well. You cannot do only on one side. Both sides you have to do the same operation, same sign. You cannot make it negative 10. We add positive 10 here, so we will add positive 10 on the right side as well. These two will cancel out. We have only 18t on the left hand side, and we have 18 on the right hand side. Now minus 10 or negative 10 has gone. Now we have 18t. We want only the value of t. We do not want any integer with t as well. So what is the relationship between 18 and t? The relationship is multiplication. There is no positive or negative. It means multiplication. So what is the inverse? Opposite of the multiplication is division. So it means you have to divide it by 18 here as well. Same thing you have to do on the right side as well. If you are doing some operation on the right hand side, you have to do on the left hand side. If you are doing something on left hand side, same thing, same sign you have to do on the right hand side as well. So this 18 will cancel out 18 one time, 18 one time. By chance it is also 18. So the value of t is 1. 18 one time and 18 one time is 1. The beauty of this question is that you can check it whether the question or your answer is right or not. We will learn this another lesson, but here I am going to explain you how. Wherever you will see t in this equation, you have to plug in 1. So 1 here, 8 one time 8, positive 10, and here 1, this is positive 10, this is negative 10. These will cancel out. 8 equal to 8, because you have plugged the value of t here. If both sides are equal, it means your answer is right. So this is the right. Another way, very simple way, or you can say a little bit direct way to solve the same question. You have to add this. It will be 18t and then minus 10 equal to 18. But here, do not write down minus 10 here. Just ignore this line. 18t equal to 8. Because we are doing another method. Here this is negative 10. So you have to bring this to the other side of the equation. right hand side of the equation. When negative 10 will come to the other side, its sign will change, right? So it is 18. So we didn't do this step here, minus 10, then plus 10, then cut off, and here directly we move this 10 from left side to the right side. So it is 18t equal to 18. And then now we need only t here. I'm not going to divide 18 here, 18 here. This is the different, a little bit different method. T is equal to 18. Write down as it is. With what we have to do with this 18? What is the relationship between these two? This is the multiplication. So on the other side there is division. So 18 divided by 18. These will cancel out. T is equal to 1. Same answer. Whatever method you will use, answer should be same. Now this question, 5a plus 2 equal to 10. What you need? You want only the value of a. We do not want anything with a, any integer or a plus 2. No, we want only a. So first thing is, what is the relationship between 5 and a? They are multiplying each other. So first we will remove this 5 from here. So divide here from with 5. Same operation you have to do on the right side. This 5 will cancel out. This is 5 1 time, 5 2 time 10. So we have a plus 2 equal to 2. This is remaining. Now you have to remove this 2 from here as well. So a positive 2, how you will remove it? The positive, if it is positive, I told you make it negative. So what we did, minus 2 on the left hand side, same thing you have to do on the right hand side as well. These will cancel out each other. This will also cancel out each other. So the value of a equal to 0, and this is our answer. If you want to check your answer, whether your answer is right or wrong, because it is 0, we can do it. Just plug 0 instead of a. So 0 plus 2 is equal to 2, and 2 5 times 10. So 10 equal to 10. It means our answer is right. So the other way is a plus 2 equal to 10. We want only a here, right? So a plus 2, write down as it is. Write down 10 as it is. Only first move this 5. Here is the multiplication between these. So on the other side you have to divide it by this 5. It will be same 2. So a plus 2 equal to 2. And then we want only this, the value of a is equal to 2, and move this 2 from left hand side to the other side, it will be minus 2. So again it is 0, right? So whatever method, it's up to you, you can use, but you should know the methods. Third question I can solve for you, so you can have better idea how to solve these kind of linear equations. First you have to get rid of this 3, so divide it by 3, because this is the multiplication, and here you have also divide. 3 one time and then 3 time. So we have now g plus 1 equal to 3. Now what? Now we have to remove this one, because we only want g on the left hand side. How you will remove this one? It is positive 1, make it the inverse, which is minus 1. So same operation you have to do on the other side, negative 1 as well. This will cancel out each other. G is equal to 2. If you want to check, plug 2 instead of g. 2 plus 1 3, and then 3 times 9. It means our answer is right. And now I will do a little bit direct method. You want g plus 1 equal to 9. So here it is multiplying. On the other side you have to divide with 3. 3 one time, 3 time. So g plus 1 equal to 3. Now you need only g here. Do not write down -1 here, -1 here. Directly take this to the other side of the equation. So its sign will change, -1 and g is equal to 2. You can choose whatever method you like easier. Last question we will discuss here, same variable but 2 times, no problem. So it will be 6z minus 1 equal to 11. First you have to remove this. So 6z minus 1 positive 1, right? This is -1, so you have to add positive 1. Same positive 1 you have to add to the other side. So this negative positive will cancel out. 6z is equal to 12. And then how you will remove this 6? This is the multiplication. Divide it 6 6. So z is equal to 6 1 times 6, 6 2 times, so 2. 2 is the answer. 2 is the value of z. If you want to check, put 2 here. This will be 6, 3 2 times 6 plus 3 2 times 6, and this is minus 1. So 6 6 12 minus 1 11, 11 equal to 11. So left hand side or right hand side both should be equal. It means your answer is right. I hope everything is clear. If still you have any question, write down in the comment section without any hesitation. I will try my best to solve it. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Saima Academy. Thanks for watching.